Have you been seeing these computer science graduation posts? They know they're not getting a job, which sucks because look at how much they are pouring into it. The average comp sci degree costs between $60,000 and $100,000. More than 60,000 students will graduate with a comp sci degree in 2025, only to find a difficult job market and their jobs being replaced by AI. It's crazy that what once was a shoo-in, surefire degree in the early 2000s is now almost irrelevant. Are you seeing a similar trend in other industries?